विमानतळावयल्या परिस्थितीचो नियाळ घेवपाक शेनवारा जीटीडीसीचो अध्यक्ष निलेश काब्रालान दाबोळे विमानतळार भेट दिली। जरी तर विमानतळार दुसरो काउंटर तयार जाल्लो नाका, तर काळी हळडुवी टॅक्सीवाल्यांनी सरकाराक सहकार्य करचे म्हण ह्या वेळार आमदार काब्राल उलयला। आरडेक्स खातीर दाबोळेच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
I am part of tourism industry in Goa. Now they have declared that they are not on strike. So if they are not on strike, they have to be part of the movement which is happening on the airport. They have been always telling that we have around 350 taxis which are sufficient here for the operation of the airport. And government has always protected them. Government has seen that the separate counter is not opened and other things have not happened. Now when they are saying they are not going on strike, when they are saying they are not on strike and still they are not going with the taxis outside area. So where is the question of they are operating with that? So I will report to Honorable Chief Minister that this is what has happened. And decisions in the future they will take, because see, tourism is not only taxi. Tourism, there are so many other things where tourists come here. And once the name kaitari नाव पेडे जाले गोयचे जाल्यार हे नाव पुतून करपाक, see, I have struggled for the last 8-9 years because I am in the tourism department. We have done various means and government has done various functions in bringing tourism to a different level. Tourism, initially I remember, I am talking about 9-10 years back, hotels in the month of June, July, August, September used to get closed. Today that is not the reality. Today Goa has become a destination point. And if this type of problems happen for no reason, if there were genuine demands, I would have agreed. There is no genuinity at all in their demand. They have fitted as there are taxis which have fitted as street governors wanting to fly. They are saying that I only wanted to know whether they have been stopped or not. They have been stopped. So I will tell what I have to tell.
टॅक्सी वाला
वाईट टॅक्सी वाला
म्हणलं तो बाईक घेऊन आशिल्लो आणि आम्ही तिका वातावरण रावन स्ट्रायक करता तुम्ही कित्याक भाडे मारता म्हणून
अच्छा मागीर
सोडपाना म्हणपाक लागलो
सोडपाना म्हणपाक लागलो आनी कितें केलें मारलो
म्हणल्यार हांगा येयलो हांव म्हणलें म्हाका हात नाका म्हणलें पात्रां कडेन उलय म्हणलें पात्रां फोन लावन दिलें तें उलयलें ताणें म्हाका म्हणपाक लागलो आनी भाडे मारनाका
टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर आमचे भाव आमचे सगळे भाव ते गोंयकार भाव पूण तेंचो एक डिमांड आहा फॉर स्पीड गव्हर्नन्स फॉर दीस गव्हर्नन्स घालपा नाका म्हणून. That is not realistic. We cannot help it. Even Chief Minister Sahila ki there is a Supreme Court order on that. Even Kadamba buses also have put speed governors. About the meters, you travel anywhere in the world, all taxis have meters. But then they have got one more genuine problem. When they go for permit renewal, 45 days it takes. I think it should be renewed within a week. So then I am with the taxi drivers for the demand of the permit renewal. But with regards to their meters and the governor, I am with the government.